start it up. So you can see this is the car exhaust coming out. It's about 24, 25 degrees outside tonight, so a lot of condensation in the exhaust evaporating, and makes a pretty neat little show there. But so there is the car exhaust coming out around where the rocket, or the jet tube rather, is. And then up on the deck lid, these are the 3 rocket tubes. If you can see those. Those are better seen during the day. And we're going to do a test of the marine signal flares. Another thing that okay, I'm taking one of the rockets out of its launch tube, and then we'll show you how this works. The signal flare gets put in the bottom there, and I don't know if I can do this and hold the camera at the same time, but here is the marine signal flare that goes in there. So there you see the signal flare is now loaded into the bottom of the rocket, and we're going to put it back in the tube. Now you can see that the marine signal flare is loaded into the bottom of the rocket, and we're going to drop it back down in the tube. We're putting it in the driver's side launch tube. So now the rocket, or the signal flare, is loaded into that tube. And the way this works is, we turn this key on, that lights everything up. This, if I flip that switch up, will arm that left tube, and then if I push that button, that will fire it. So I'm going to arm that tube. I'm going to have my hand on the button here to be ready. Turn around and face the tube, and I'm going to try to catch it as it goes in the air. 3, 2, 1. There he goes. So the signal flare went out, but the rocket stays. Okay, I backed the car back into the bat cave so we can see what's going on here. I'm pulling the rocket out. As you can see, the rocket didn't go anywhere. There's the spent shell. And like I told people before, I do like a bit of whimsy. This says Bat Rocket Atomic Fuel Rod. And actually what this is, so this is my bit of whimsy here, the atomic fuel rod for the bat rockets. And actually what this is the ejector so that I can get the shell out. I just put this in here and then turn the rocket over and kind of pop it on the floor there. And now that gets the shell out for me. So you can see this is the spent shell that the marine signal flare was fired from. So now we're just going to go ahead and put the rocket back in the tube. And if it were loaded with another signal flare, we could fire it again. And as I say, the rocket doesn't go anywhere. It's just the marine signal flare which burns up completely in the air and nothing comes down to hurt anything. Alright, we're reaching into